Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And this is not my normal video. Today we are going to be taking off the makeup, not putting on makeup, and I'm going to show you some technique I use for when I take off all this full face of makeup. So let's get started. So you can use any type of wipies, any makeup remover wipes. I use just the original Walmart brand. So then after I've taken off all the makeup off with the little wipey, that's the sad part, I like to go in because I don't know if I got everything off. This is my favorite makeup cleanser type stuff. It's called Chateau labiotte. I think it's French or something. I will link it down below because I'm pretty sure you can't see it. But it is a sorbet type of stuff. And when you open it, if I can open it, it's like a little yogurt thing type looking stuff. It has a little spatula. Mine, of course, is melted like deep in there. And then with the spatula, and it's supposed to melt the leftover makeup. This doesn't look weird. And so with my two middle fingers, I like to rub it real good. Make sure to get all that makeup off. Then after that, I like to go wash my face real quick, so I'll be right back. Then after I go in with after I wash off my face, wash it off like on off, I shouldn't have any more makeup on. I will go in with the Radiance Blast by copper+crane. It's so good, guys. I've used it before, so. And I love their packaging. It's the cutest thing ever. So I'll look weird after this, but trust, this works. I'll be right back. So I went in with one layer of the copper+crane Radiance Mask. You're supposed to leave it for 15 minutes. Use it 1 to 2 times a week. I do like using something else on my nose. I will use the blackhead removal mask. Super cute. It says it may look gross, but it's super satisfying. Honestly, it is. I'm just gonna put this on my nose. Just like using this finger for most of my stuff. Just apply one layer. I look like a jack-o'-lantern. Guys, this is not the pretty part of makeup, but you have to do it in order to take care of your skin. Yeah. So I will be back in 15 minutes, guys. Then after I finish with the Radiance mask and the blackhead mask, go ahead and peel that off. Then I'll wipe off any excess stuff that I did not take off or peel off or whatever. I go wipe it off and stuff. Then last but not least, I will go in with a Shea Butter by Nature Republic mask. And yeah, I love these masks, by the way. I can take it off. I'll be right back. I cannot open this. I had this one friend. He was like, "You're putting the mask on wrong." And I was like, "I don't know how to put a mask." I still love him though. So we'll leave this on for about, how long? 10 to 20 minutes. And I'll be back, guys. Then you just rub the rest of the mask all over your face. I like to go down to my neck. Alright, and then you go to sleep. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like, a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye. That notification. Oh, flipper scum boosting. Well, did you get already messing up, and I just started. Why can I not do this right? Why is this hard? Honestly, what do you do for 15 minutes? You read the instructions off of everything? These are in Chinese, so it makes no sense to read those. And of course my computer's dying. And my camera's dying. As always. And then this music doesn't play that long.